Okay, this is our learning project, our learning objective, ya, kid. I hope.
Have you found for checking the typing, sir?
Yeah, of course. I will check. We'll see together later, yeah. Yeah, you look spirit hero. You have finished spirit hero?
Wow.
Okay. Sir want to explain about this first. Computer memory and output unit. Yeah. Last Thursday we have studied about input unit, input, and also discuss about CPU, central processing unit. And in CPU, we have studied about motherboard. Already saw the picture about motherboard. And today we will discuss about computer memory and output unit. Students, before we continue to the next slide, yeah, sir want to remind you about your assignment for the next Thursday. I hope every students before Zoom, yeah, we can see all of you have finished your typing, have complete, yeah, green box until 12 or lesson 12. You have finished until letter K, Y, and P keys. Okay, students. Okay, let's see together your progress, yeah, kid. Let's see together. Okay, this is your progress about your typing. Andromeda class. Adelio Alvaro Ozora. This is yours.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. Adelio, you have finished intermediate until this one. Yeah. And beginner complete all have finished. And Alexandra Lovely. Saptani, do you see Alexandra? Join or not?
Join, sir. Join, sir.
Okay, Alexandra, can you respond?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, where are you, Alexandra? Long time not see you. I miss you. Can you show me your video?
Itu, sir, yang itu.
Where are you? Okay. Alexandra, you have login, but you don't do. I don't see the green box in beginner lesson. You don't do?
Saya nggak bisa buka itu, sir.
Oh, why before you don't ask me? Kenapa pas sir tanya seperti ini baru kamu bilang tidak bisa login? Alessandra, where is your WhatsApp? This is yours? Is this yours?
Yes, sir, kirim ke mana saya aja, sir.
This is yours, ya? Okay, I send to this. Yeah, I send the username and the password. So I hope you can log in. Later, if cannot also, yeah, let me know, yeah, Alessandra. Okay, this is your username and password. Andromeda 2. Later you can try, Alessandra. If still cannot, let me know. I will help you, yeah. So you can do. Alessandra, do you have computer or laptop at home?
I don't have, sir.
You don't have both of them? Have
I'm
laptop?
in Jakarta, sir.
Oh, you of Medan, yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can use smartphone only. You don't have laptop or computer?
No, sir.
No, yeah. Okay, later you can try with your handphone or smartphone. Ya, if have problem, ya you can skip. Memang ada problemnya kalau menggunakan handphone itu tidak bisa complete di satu lesson itu. Tapi bisa kamu skip nanti. You can continue to the next lesson. Okay, Alessandra.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, yeah, this is Betania still 2. Andromeda 4. Wow. Still not yet login.
Billy,
Cantika.
I think, sir.
Huh?
I think Billy, sir.
Billy.
Billy, sir.
Where is Billy? Do you see Billy, Donis?
But, sir.
Nggak ada Billy, sir.
No join. Okay, Cantika. Yeah, complete ya until 10. Delfino also complete. Donis. Wow. Little more, Donis. You see, 1.5 more. Donis, can you respond?
Can, sir.
Okay. Adeline, complete. Febrian, complete. Gracia, complete. Hero, wow. You look so spirit, Hero, because you have finished, yeah. Where is Hero? No comment. Jessica, only 1. Andromeda, 13. You know who is this?
Sebelum Reicha kayaknya. Hieronymus? Bukan.
Before Kenji. Kenji. Wow, Kenji, little more Kenji.
Kaizan, sir. Andromeda 13. Iya, Kaizan.
Kaizan, sir.
Oh, this is Kaizen, yeah. Kaizen Andromeda 13. Okay. Jessica, hi Jessica. You see this, Jessica? Can you respond, Jessica, with your typing? You see only.
Yes, sir. I already do, but cannot, sir.
What you mean, Jessica? You already do, but cannot. Can you explain it? Maksudnya
I
gimana?
already do by my name, Andromeda 12, sir.
Andromeda 12. So, you mean cannot login?
Cannot, sir. I already do, but cannot.
Okay, Jessica. I print, yeah. I send to your WhatsApp, Jessica. Maybe you have wrong username and password. Okay, Jessica, you see this one? Okay, this is yours, Jessica. Oh,
Yes, sir. I already put the password and the name, sir.
Andromeda 12 and Andromeda, you use this,
Yes, sir.
but cannot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You use laptop or computer, Jessica? Do you use
I
laptop?
use laptop, sir.
Laptop, okay. Jessica, later I help you. I believe you can log in, yeah? Okay. This is yours, Jessica? Your WhatsApp, this one?
Yes, sir.
This one, yeah? Okay. Okay, Jessica. I hope you can try again, or later I will send the record Zoom, yeah, about typing, so you can watch that. I hope you can log in and you can do it. Okay, student, if you have problem with your typing, please let me know, yeah. I will help you.
Sir, if we use iPad, can sir?
iPad. Okay. I don't know. I cannot say can or not, yeah, because some student if use smartphone
Nggak
have
bisa juga pakai
problem.
iPad. Pernah coba, Sir.
Wandro, oh, Rehan ever try, ya? Cannot,
Yes, nggak
Rehan.
bisa.
Cannot.
Nggak bisa, tapi I nggak tahu juga ya kalau di iPad lain.
Oh yeah, just try, Jessica, ya. If have, yeah. Usually the problem, the screen is black, yeah, black screen. So cannot continue. But if you use laptop, I believe not have problem, yeah. Saptiani, okay, complete. Beginner have complete. Richa complete. Rehan not yet, yeah. Or Rehan also you use smartphone, yeah. Okay, Rehan.
Yes, sir. I use smartphone and iPad, sir. iPad-nya nggak bisa juga.
Cannot also, yeah. Okay, Rehan, if you cannot, you can skip, so you can continue for this lesson, ya. Ya, saya memaklumin if you don't have computer or laptop, tapi kalau kamu kerjakan with your smartphone or an iPad sampai di sini, saya akan pengertian dan saya kasih juga poin, ya. Jadi skip
Jadi
aja.
aja, sir.
Ya, Rehan.
Jadi nggak apa-apa di skip aja.
Ya, skip, but itu di skipnya when you get the black screen, ya. Kalau ketika ketemu black screen-nya, kamu baru skip. Oke? Okay? Oke, okay, Recha, complete, Saptiani, Stanley. Oke, okay, Stanley, good. Saptiani, Stefiandi, oke. Okay. Ready? Okay, this is complete also, ya. Steven, class. Pina Maricha, completed. Okay, already, ya, students? Okay, that's about typing. I hope for the other student, yeah, if you have not complete, please, yeah, complete it. Yeah. Okay, now we continue to the next slide. I will explain about this one. Yeah, computer memory is basically of two types. Yeah, students, I hope you remember this one, because some students, when I give the question, how many types of computer memory, they say two types. But when I ask what are they say RAM and ROM. That's not good. Yeah, the right answer is primary memory and secondary memory. Ya, itu yang benar, ya, Kid. Ya, primary memory and secondary memory. Ya, this is the flow, ada flow diagramnya. Ya, internal memory and external memory. Ya, so students, for the next time, if someone say to you external memory, you must understand external memory same with what, Adeline? External memory itu sama dengan secondary memory, ya, Kid. And if someone say internal memory, yeah, same with primary memory. Yeah, you must understand about this one. Okay. And computer memory, yeah, have two types. primary and secondary memory. In primary memory, have two types. What are they? RAM and ROM.
ROM.
Okay. Adelio, if I have question for you, where is the position or the place the RAM and ROM? Di mana tempatnya?
Di internal memory, sir.
Internal memory. Okay. You know internal memory. I ask again, where is the position or the place of internal memory?
The place.
Yeah, in where? You can find it.
Komputer memori, sir.
In PC, sir. Di
PC.
dalamnya.
Di dalamnya.
Yes.
Okay. Who can give more detail?
Komputer memori, sir.
Computer memory, sir.
In
Memory.
computer memory. Okay. All of you say computer memory. Have the other students maybe different answer. Okay.
Di storage, sir. Di storage.
Saptiani in where?
In storage. Storage.
Storage. Okay, storage. We have study about storage.
I think udah, sir.
Okay. In where you can find storage? Okay. Confused, yeah. Okay, last Thursday we study about what? What about we have studied last Thursday?
Last Thursday kita mempelajari tentang cara-cara tentang ini kan sir, komputer tentang input, output dan
Hero, I cannot hear clearly.
CPU divisa input output. Suara Hero kecil kan sir. Input output CPU. Masih belum bisa Hero.
Okay, see. Okay, Hero. Just now I hear from you. You say just now CPU, yeah?
Input dan input output dan CPU.
Okay, thank you, Hero. Thank you. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Yeah. Do you know CPU, kid?
Yes sir.
Yeah, we have studied last Thursday, ya. In CPU, ya, if have question, the position di dalam CPU itulah posisinya internal or primary memory. Nah, itulah dikatakan internal, di dalam internal memory. Jadi di dalam CPU itu bisa kamu temukan, you can find RAM and ROM. Ya. Jadi paham ya, Kid, RAM and ROM itu you can find in CPU, inside of CPU, di dalam CPU. Different with this one, external. Oke, Saptiani, you raise hand.
Sir, RAM and ROM itu ada kepanjangannya nggak, sir?
Oh, have. RAM itu stand for random access.
Random access memory.
Oke, ROM.
Kalau ROM, only memory.
Yeah, already study about this ya, read only memory. Ya, itu kepanjangannya Saptiani. Oke. Kemudian we study about external, kid. External itu kan di luar atau secondary memory, eksternal. Kalau ini I believe you always atau sering lah ya, you see this one, hard disk eksternal, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disk, and pen drive atau memory card. Yang jarang kita lihat kan ini, RAM and ROM. Why? Because inside of CPU, di dalam daripada CPU tadi. Atau kalau laptop, ya di bawah keyboard inilah kita bongkar, di motherboardnya ada di situ ya. Tapi kalau ini sering kita dengar, bahkan bisa kita sering bawa ya, flash drive. Oke, That's about secondary and primary memory. Now, this about primary memory. Yeah, I want to show you the picture of primary memory. Yeah, this one, student. Primary memory store 2 times. Ada 2 program yang disimpan. Ya, system software and application software. Ya, and main primary memory atau ya. Ini tambah lagi kita bahasa primary memory tadi selain internal memory sama dengan primary memory. Main also. Main itu sama dengan primary memory. What in bahasa main, kid?
Terbagi, sir.
No, this one. Main.
Utama, sir.
Utama ya. Jadi memori utama itu has 2 type. RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. Okay, kid, you can see here. Yeah, this is the picture. This is RAM, random access memory, and this one ROM. You can see here, this is motherboardnya. Inilah posisinya nanti untuk meletakkan RAM-nya. Ya, and you can see this one. This is gold. Ini kuningan ini yang akan dimasukkan ke dalam sini. Ya, so the position like this, berdiri, not like this ya, bukan diletakkan begini tapi berdiri. Ya, oke, the position of RAM. And this one, ini posisi daripada ROM. You can see here, have foot ya, ada kakinya, yang dia di situ kakinya akan dimasukkan ke dalam tempatnya. Have in there ROM ya. Oh ya, itu kuningan tapi bukan emas. Ya, itu seperti emas ya.
Soalnya sir gini sir, emas itu termasuk juga salah satu komponen sirkuit sir.
Oh ya.
Iya, pernah baca di mana tuh namanya di buku bahasa Inggris di semua atau apa.
Oh ya, oke. Ya, kuningan dia ya. Oke. So now ya, sekarang you know ya, you know this is the picture atau bentuk daripada RAM, random access memory, and the position. Kalau di motherboard posisinya seperti ini dia. Kalau ROM yang seperti ini, and the position in here. This is the clearly. Ini yang lebih besar, bigger, yang lebih besar lagi. Ya, ini yang the white one ini kid. Ini adalah untuk mengunci. Ya, ketika ditekan ini sempurna letaknya.
Biar nggak lepas.
Iya, biar nggak lepas. Ini otomatis dia tegak lurus mengunci. Oke, dan ini ROM, you can see here. Ya, ini have the text ya, ada teks tulisannya ROM. Dan posisinya seperti itu dia. Dia punya kaki-kaki ya. Oke. And here secondary, we continue to the next secondary memory. Yeah, this one. Okay, student, do you know what is this?
CD.
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 CD stand for what? Do you know? CD stand for?
Compact disc.
Yeah, compact disc. Thank you. Sabtani have in here, yeah. Compact disc. Okay, do you know what is this, kid?
Flash disc.
Yeah,
Flash disk.
Disk or flash drive. Yeah, some people say flash disk or flash drive. It's okay, yeah. Do you know this one, kid?
Floppy disk. No.
Why did you know this is floppy disk, Saptiani? I want to ask you. Do you ever see this before? Did you ever see before?
Saya pernah sir tapi nggak tahu namanya.
Oh, yeah.
Sama, sir.
Ever,
Cuma
ya.
random jawab aja, sir.
But you never touch this one. Kamu nggak pernah menyentuh ini ya. I believe that because I know, yeah, you know, yeah, kid. I ever use this one when I still grade students, ya. Ketika saya masih mahasiswa, I think around 2000 years. Ya, tahun 2000, kid. tahun 2000 ini masih ada. And this is too small ya, the capacity too small. Sangat kecil. Hitungannya sekitar 3 atau 2 megabyte. Wow, too small. So this is
Zaman
not.
sekarang udah nggak pakai CD, sir. Udah dari YouTube atau dari mana, sir?
Iya,
Tapi, sir,
ya.
tak jadi, sir.
Ya, who's that?
PSI
Donis?
soalnya ada pakai itu, sir. PSPI soalnya ada pakai kayak gitu, tapi
You use this, you still use this, Donis?
in my PSP, sir, tapi kecil.
Oh, but not same like this one, ya. More smaller, ya.
Yes, sir.
Iya. Ya, tapi mungkin itu berbeda dengan yang ini. Because I believe, ya, no one again use this one. Because this is too small, ya. Dan kita lihat di CPU sekarang tidak ada lagi tempat untuk membuka alat ini. Kalau dulu memang ada disediakan, kita masukkan ke dalam, dia akan membuka. Sekarang nggak ada lagi, tidak ada lagi tempat untuk membuka ini. Like CD, sekarang CD-ROM itu kan sudah jarang. Karena sudah kebanyakan menggunakan flash drive, hanya ada disediakan USB. If you buy the new laptop now, membeli laptop sekarang yang baru, sekarang laptop sudah tipis-tipis ya. Itu tidak ada lagi CD-ROM-nya. Sudah jarang menggunakan CD sekarang. Oke?
Masih tebal, sir, laptopnya.
Oh iya. So have CD-ROM-nya ya. Have CD-ROM-nya. Ada CD-ROM-nya kan?
Ada, sir, ada.
Ya, if mine no have again. Saya nggak punya lagi CD-ROM. Ya. Oke, this is floppy disk. And what is this, kid?
Hard
Same
disk.
CD,
This is hard disk.
hard disk.
Hard
Ya,
disk.
hard disk ya. Inside hard disk have like this. Jadi ada juga seperti ini dia. Ya, di dalamnya ini. Oke, now we study about output unit, kid. Output unit ya, bagian-bagian yang output. You know this one is monitor. And we know ya, kita tambahan ini bahasa tambahan kita. Jadi VDU itu sama dengan monitor ya. VDU itu adalah visual display unit. Ya, ini tambah glossary kita ya, Kit. Jadi VDU itu adalah visual display unit. Okay, this is about printer. I believe every student have known about this one, printer. And here, student, I want to explain about this one, soft copy and hard copy. Yeah. What is soft copy? Soft copy is the information shown on display device or monitor. Jadi, Kid, seperti ini, Kid. You type letter, kamu mengetik surat. You see the letter on your monitor. But you have not print, tapi belum di print. Itu adalah namanya soft copy. But if you have print, tapi ketika sudah kamu print letternya tadi, ya, and you can touch it, you can see it, itu namanya sudah hard copy. Do you understand, Kid, what the difference of soft copy and hard copy? Bisa bedakannya, Kid? Can ya? Oke, so soft copy itu dia masih tampilan saja di dalam monitor, ya kita bisa lihat, but cannot touch. Kita nggak bisa sentuh, hanya bisa lihat saja. That's soft copy. Ya, if hard copy, printed information, informasi yang sudah terprint, cetak, itulah dia hard copy. Okay, this one, I believe every student know this one. This is projector, ya. This is projector, ya. This is also output unit, and this is loudspeaker. Ya, this also you know ya, loudspeaker. Ini adalah loudspeaker. Okay, students. Don't forget do your typing ya. Yeah, especially for the student just now still 1, 2 box. Yeah, you have many assignment. You
Sir, can I
must
see my
complete.
box, sir?
Oh yeah, Jessica. What, Jessica?
Can I see my box, sir?
Try.
Just now, Jessica, can I see my box?
Pause. You mean pause? Maksudnya gimana, pause?
Bots.
Text typing, sir.
This. Jessica still here.
Yes, sir.
Jessica can login, udah bisa login. Jessica, you can try.
Sudah, sir.
Udah. Oke.
Yes, sir.
Okay, still number 1 ya, Jessica. Oh, now the lesson 2 ya. Lesson 2. Jessica, just now you use Andromeda 12 ya, nggak salah kan? Not wrong, the username and password.
Yes, sir.
Oke, coba try Jessica, continue. Nanti ini akan bertambah. Supaya buktikannya itu benar atau tidak. Karena begini, Kit. Ada beberapa siswa itu, dia sudah mengerjakan sampai 9 lesson. Sampai 9 box. Ternyata tidak progresnya tidak kelihatan di sini, Kit. Why? Because he used the other username. Bisa kamu login, Kit. Bisa masuk login, bisa ngetik. Tapi nanti hasilnya itu tidak masuk kemari. Sia-sia kerjanya. Tidak kelihatan di sini. Makanya I remind you ya. Always I remind you. Use your username and password. Jangan salah password and username. Nanti sia-sia kerjanya. Makanya saya pastikan, Jessica, if you already login, coba try aja yang ini. DENIK, coba kamu try, nanti ini akan warna hijau kalau kita refresh nanti. Nanti ini kamu complete juga boleh. Complete, nanti kan bisa back kembali dia. Okay, student, we have
Until here, sir. I already.
where?
Yes, sir.
What letter is that? What letter is that?
K, U, and R.
U and R.
Yes, sir.
Okay, K, U, and R. Okay, you see here. Okay, that's yeah. Coba try terus, try. Letter Jessica, if you have finished Q, U, and R, the next, let me know ya. Coba kasih tahu sir supaya nanti, atau chat Sir Juan. Letter I check, apakah memang betul nanti kelihatan di sini progress atau tidak. Okay, student, we have 4 minutes more. I have question for you. Yeah, I will choose with this one. Please prepare yourself. Stefiandi.
Nothing, sir. Stefiandi. Stephen, nothing, sir.
Stephen. Okay, I call 3 times. If nothing, I pick again. Alexandra.
Alexandra have, sir.
Alexandra. Oh, no respond. Until 3 times, yeah. Vina Maricha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vina Maricha. Please tell me what picture is this one.
Plus this, sir.
Okay, plus this. Okay, plus this ya, Vina Maricha. Okay, next. Gracia. Okay, do.
Gracia nothing, sir.
Adelio.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Adelio. The next question. What picture is this?
CD, sir.
Okay, CD. Next. Cantika. Okay, no. Donis.
Cantika nggak bisa unmute, sir, katanya.
Oh ya, Donis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Donis, what picture is this? One, two, three, 4, 5. Who can answer? Raise your hand.
Flop this. Flop this, sir.
This.
Okay.
Floppy disk.
Saptiani, the first raise hand.
Sir, duluan, sir, please.
Floppy disk, sir.
Okay. Just now I see the post here, Saptiani, ya. You can see the screen.
Saya juga yang juga sudah jawab.
Okay. Hero, you answer, but the post is
Siapa
Saptiani.
suruh nggak raise hand?
Okay, students. I think enough for today our lesson. So I give the information for you, yeah, the last information about input, output, yeah, output unit and computer memory. Thank you for your attention. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Don't forget do your typing, ya, kid. See you. Bye bye, kid.
Nah.
Bye.